we got in a Switch. Not too bad a shape, looks okay. A little scratch on the screen here. Screws look there, don't look all stripped out. A little scuffy on the back. Let's take a look at this port. Yeah, that's not original. Let's see how bad it is. It's on the board, but the contacts are loose. And there's going to be rip traces on this one. When you see them flopping around like that, let's get this thing apart. This should be a joy because usually I don't get these all together like this. Usually they're already apart. Box of pieces, motherboard, lots of damage. So I thought this one was going to be okay. That's what I thought anyway. Battery stone dead. So I thought this would be a little fun. Just as I thought. It is until the camera decided to stop recording. And you missed all the good stuff. All the traces ripped off. And solid, not solid. That's loose, that's loose. You can actually see the pad moving underneath it. It's not going to be good. But I guess we'll have to make it up on the next one because we're about to lose the camera. And there it goes. Throw on top of it. The audio wasn't recording. So let's try this again next time.